Hi, I'm Sophie Alloway, and welcome to the Rockschool Drum Method, your complete guide to getting started on the drums. I'm a professional drummer based in London, and I've been lucky enough to play in lots of top venues and at festivals like Glastonbury. I've toured worldwide with some amazing musicians like pop artist Scala and rapper Roots Manuva, as well as the West End show Thriller. We'll start with the basics, from how to play each drum and hold your sticks the right way to reading simple drum notation. I'll also teach you essential techniques like single strokes, double strokes, paradiddles, and how to combine these rudiments to create great sounding beats. And then we're going to learn specific exercises and practice those, which will lead up to us playing pieces all separated into different genres. So if you like your pop, if you like metal, if you like hip-hop, indie, rock, country music, there's something for you, definitely. The course comes complete with backing tracks for all the pieces, interactive notation which can be slowed down and looped for easy practice, plus loads of exercises which we will take it in turns to practice. By the end of this course, you'll have learnt the basics of modern drumming and be able to play great sounding pieces in a range of styles. So what are you waiting for? Grab your sticks and let's get started.